Hello everyone. Dive into the world of multimedia painting with my beginner-friendly tutorials. Unwind, express your creativity, and craft stunning artworks effortlessly. No prior experience required. Even if you're already familiar with painting, you will discover new inspiration. My course features 7 bite-sized videos, 4 to 7 minutes each, making learning a breeze. Techniques are thoughtfully repeated for solid skill reinforcement. Take your time, repeat paintings, and relish the process. The key is to savor every moment. Explore the joy of repetition. I often create multiple versions before framing my best pieces or sharing them as thoughtful gifts. Some even choose to sell their creation. With high-quality image of line art and finished paintings, you will grasp each step easily. Gather your watercolors, 2 round brushes, size 2 and 6 round brush, masking tape, a board, watercolor paper, and your boundless enthusiasm. Join now for an artistic journey where simplicity meets beauty, and discover the pleasure of creating stunning multimedia painting.